preceding signal has been a weekly tone alarm test of the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station, KEC 63 in Southfield, KIH 29 in Clio, WNG 582 in Sandusky, WNG 647 in Adrian, and WNG 701 in Bad Axe. Since this is Severe Weather Awareness Week, we are asking you to practice your severe weather emergency plans at this time. If this had been an actual tornado or severe thunderstorm warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. This week's test is being held in conjunction with Michigan's Severe Weather Awareness Week and is intended to help you reacquaint yourself with your severe weather emergency plans. This is the time to make or review those severe weather emergency plans at home, work, or school before severe weather strikes southeast Michigan. Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan continues through this Saturday, April 12th. Additional Severe Weather Awareness Week and safety information can be found on our website, www.weather.gov/Detroit. This concludes the test. We now return to the normal broadcast.